and welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, an estimated 40 persons were made homeless after fire gutted several houses in a tenement at the intersection of Charles Street and Luke Lane in downtown Kingston.
The fire started sometime after 8, but no injuries were reported. The victims are blaming the fire department for the late arrival.
Annette Wright looked around what's left of her 4-bedroom structure in disbelief. Her furniture now turned rubble.
I get up about in the 6 o'clock, I sweep up the air as usual on the road. Anyway, one little boy did missing from Friday from around here, so you know, a community, so I leave because my sister them talk, so I leave and we are talk about it and whatever. She over there now, me sleep on murder, Jesus, Annette, fire!
She's one of nearly 40 people left homeless by the fire which gutted about 8 houses in the tenement. Annette recalled she was outside when she heard someone screaming fire. But when she got there to remove her belongings, it was too late.
I feel just stand up and just a ball and I watch them a burn. I mean, I ball like through the things I'm a burn. I just my situation. I mean, I have nowhere to go. I go catch with people and them something at my age. You know, I make it.
Ingrid Bailey was awoken by the commotion. She too lost everything.
I was asleep. I heard the loud noise. The next door neighbor, her name is Lorraine. She started crying out, fire, fire, fire. So I jumped out of my bed. And the first thing I could grab was my pocketbook and my hat, my sunglasses.
Kellyanne Dixon was helping to prevent another house from burning, totally unaware that hers was on fire. She suffered heavy losses.
The only thing I see is a fridge and a mattress. 1 barrel of clothes and my baby father was gonna fire. My baby father gonna fire in February 2nd and him left everything in a few months, give me plus my one. So everything burned up.
The residents say if the fire unit came earlier than it did, more could have been saved.
All half an hour, my house not catch all now, I just over there so alone. And when I see it catch the door now, so I run out the road and start crying. And the man drive go up there again. And if the next fire truck come empty up there, them say, them go full up and come back.
The victims believe moving forward will be tough.
Too far, I see this, it got to take a lot.
I'm hoping for the best because it cannot be worse. It have to be best. So I'm hoping for the best.
The fire department is investigating the cause of the blaze. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
Another